Hey, did you know there's a recall on this Shark Ninja? This is the Ninja Foodi OP300 series. It's the Tendercrisp. Remember the Tendercrisp? It has two lids. Here's the tender, that's the crisp. Now get a pressure cooker lid, and then there's a heating element on top, and that's like an air fryer. And you crisp it up like that. You remember watching us cooking this? Well, I learned a few weeks ago that there was a recall on the lid. This lid, I imagine. And they sent it to me. I'll put a link right down there. These are the models that are affected. See? And the website is easy. You just put in the serial number of your machine here. It's right on the back. Whatever number they ask you for. There's a model number and a serial number. And you fill it out. And they say, we got your info. So we got your info, and it's on the way. That's a different language. I don't need that. And I just got it a couple days ago. I wanted to show you and inform you. Maybe you want to click that link and see if yours is affected, if you have a Tendercrisp model. We used it a few times. Check my playlist, with my pressure cooker playlist. I have 274 videos on there. All different kind of pressure cookers we have. Instant Pots, Go Wise, right? I just saw that 12 quart over there when I was looking for this one. We got a 12 quart pressure cooker. Is that 12 or 14? I think it's a 14 quart. Anyway, check the playlist and you'll see it there. 275 videos. This is packed really nicely. Okay, something was wrong with the original lid. I don't know what, and I don't mind. Look at that, beautiful. So if yours is a little aged and a little seasoned, look at the brand new one you get. Nice black gasket in there. I never seen that. We always have transparent or red or yellowish. Does it fit? Ooh, it fits nice. Okay. And you just take this and you throw it away if you want. I would recommend throwing it away. Unless you want that one. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, check my pressure cooker playlist, and check that link in the video description if you want to get yourself a new lid. Talk to you later. I ain't got no napkins because I ain't eating nothing yet. I'm going to eat soon. See ya.